Playzenik is designed to enhance your kids' creativity and problem-solving skills using practical STEM lessons, projects, and games. Themes are created to build a bridge between curiosity and discovery of your children. We have topics and STEM kits for various age groups such as Kinder, 4 to 6, Junior, 7 to 9, and Senior, 10+. Playzenik will send you a monthly theme-based STEM kit that contains materials for building theme-based projects such as basis circuits and RC cars. The lessons and STEM kits are developed by professionals with more than 10,000 plus hours spent on research and development. Want to know more about how to use Playzenik? Start by signing up. After you make an account, select the age group that is perfect for your child. For a limited time, you can get free access to all of our lessons. Each lesson is accompanied with engaging activities to make learning fun for your child. Like what you have learned? Subscribe to receive our monthly STEM kits, which include videos and building instructions. Our leaderboard gives an opportunity for the highest ranking users to receive cool rewards every month by completing lessons and activities. When your child is done with their project, they can upload their work in our project challenge section and compete with other users to win cool rewards. If your child ever needs additional help, Playzenik has an online chat room for them to ask questions and receive help. What are you waiting for? Go to playzenik.com and choose subscribe, receive, and enjoy.